You need to watch this movie on Netflix. It's called Kala, and here are my reasons why I love it. Number one, I think for a movie that deals with such complex emotions, and it's a lot of stuff, like it primarily deals with mommy issues, which has led to pain and childhood trauma and guilt and a lot of like jealousy. Those are such complex emotions, right? And a lot of these emotions can't be described, or the depth of those can't come across in words or monologues, right? So I think just what they have created on screen just to communicate these emotions is done so exceptionally well. Like, emotions that are that deep can only be conveyed through such underlying stuff, which I think they have done a very, very good job with. Reason number two, I'm not hugely into music, but this album got me fully hooked. And the fact that it's semi classical music. And to the extent that for one full year, these are the only songs I listen to. So it's very, very like, it's semi-classical music, but it's so well placed through the movie that's like fully making sense. Reason number three, I think the actors have done a phenomenal job. Like, phenomenal job. Because again, as I talked about, like in point number one, these are emotions that you can't really explain in words, the depth of them. So to communicate them just through some hand gestures or like just facial expressions is so well done. Number four, there's beautiful imagery. And I feel like the direction is so beautiful. Like, they don't use any like complex sound effects or visual effects. They do a little bit of that, like some effects, some sound, some visual, but it's very simple stuff. But through that, they have communicated such in depth emotions, in depth feelings. And number five, which is, I think they really nailed with this one. I think Kala, like who's the protagonist, and her mum, they're both grey characters. And the thing is that I want to hate them for some specific reasons, but I just can't. Like, and that's insane. Like, I really want to dislike them, but my heart still goes out to them. And yeah, I just think it's an amazing movie. I know a lot of people have watched it, but I still haven't seen enough of a fan base for this movie, and I think you should really watch it. And let me know if you do or you have watched it. I would love to hear your opinions, because I don't know, like, there was, when I had like newly watched the movie, I had gone back to it like multiple times. So let me know. Love you.